Guys, I want to ask you this question. You have a smartphone, you have money for data, and yet you're not making money on social media, especially on Facebook. Guys, you are loose guarding. Oh. You know that BB Nigeria this season said, no loose guard. See, let me tell you, if you have a smartphone and you can afford data, you need to be cashing out big time on Facebook. And if you're not doing that, you are just loose guarding. Guy, no loose guard. Eh? If you want to start cashing out, if you want to start making extra money from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all the social media platforms, you need to follow this page because I am here to guide you step by step on how to start making money on social media. First, if you want to do that, follow this page, share this video so that anytime you want to have this information, it will be very easy for you. That you will not say, hey, I missed that page. Share the video so that you not miss it, okay? Then I will start by teaching you how to open a Facebook page, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, especially international TikTok account. I am going to teach you free here on this page, but it is going to be a gradual process. I used to collect 30,000 naira for people to open it. But as long as you are my follower, you share my videos, you comment, I will be teaching you step by step. And I want to tell you that my teaching on this page will base on your comments. Anything you want to inquire from me, ask me that question on the comment section. Then I will do it as the next video. And our videos will not be getting too long so that it will not be bored. Or, people will not feel boring while watching it. So, like I told you, I am going to be guiding you on how to create a Facebook page, how to build your page organically, as in build it organically, and how to be getting followers, how to be getting engagement, how to keep your audience coming. You know that there's a way that when you do something, your audience will be forthcoming. They'll be coming to you every now and then because they are learning something from you. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.